I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Ford S-Max second generation, produced from 2015 to the present day. This spacious multi-purpose vehicle has won hearts in the United Kingdom for its blend of family-friendly features and surprisingly agile handling. However, like many modern Fords, it comes with its share of headaches that every potential buyer should know about. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems. As promised, the EcoBoost turbo engines, particularly the 1.5-litre and 2-litre variants, often suffer from turbocharger failures that can lead to reduced power and costly repairs. Owners frequently report coolant leaks in these engines, which, if ignored, can cause overheating and even head gasket issues. Electrical faults are another widespread complaint among S-Max drivers across the UK. The battery and alternator systems tend to fail prematurely, leaving you stranded with a flat battery or dimming lights on those rainy British motorways. Infotainment glitches, such as unresponsive touchscreens or faulty sync systems, add to the frustration, especially in models from 2015 to 2018. Beyond these, the dual-clutch power-shift transmission in some diesel models has been a notorious weak spot. It can exhibit jerky shifting or complete failure, often requiring a full replacement that sets you back around £2,000. Many owners praise the smooth ride when it works, but these issues can turn a family outing into a towing nightmare. On the brighter side, the S-Max shines with its versatile 7-seat layout, perfect for growing families in suburban areas like Surrey or Manchester. The interior boasts high-quality materials and ample boot space, making it a practical choice for school runs or weekend getaways. Fuel efficiency in the diesel engines is commendable, often achieving over 50 miles per gallon on long hauls. However, rust can creep in on the underbody, especially in salted UK winter roads, so regular inspections are a must. Suspension components like the rear bushings wear out faster than expected, leading to a bumpy ride over pothole-riddled British B-roads. Despite this, the car's sporty steering response makes it more engaging to drive than your average people carrier. Engine oil dilution is a sneaky problem in the EcoBoost lineup, where fuel mixes with oil and reduces lubrication effectiveness. This can accelerate wear on internal components, and mechanics often recommend more frequent oil changes to mitigate it. Thankfully, Ford's warranty extensions on some models have helped ease the financial sting for early owners. The panoramic sunroof, a popular option, sometimes develops leaks that drip water into the cabin during heavy downpours. Electrical gremlins extend to the power tailgate, which might refuse to open or close reliably. On the positive note, the advanced safety features, like adaptive cruise control, perform well and add peace of mind for motorway journeys. Diesel particulate filter blockages plague the 2-litre TDCi engines, especially in stop-start city driving around London. This leads to warning lights and reduced performance, with regeneration cycles that do not always solve the issue. However, the engine's torque delivery is impressive, providing effortless overtaking on A-roads. Brake wear seems accelerated in higher mileage examples, with pads and discs needing replacement every 20,000 miles or so. The anti-lock braking system sensors can fail, triggering dashboard alerts unnecessarily. That said, the S-Max's braking performance is sharp and confidence-inspiring in emergency stops. Interior trim quality holds up well, but door seals and weather stripping can degrade, allowing wind noise at higher speeds. The climate control system occasionally malfunctions, with blower motors failing in colder months. Positively, the heated seats and steering wheel are a boon during frosty UK winters. Fuel pump issues in petrol models can cause starting problems, particularly after short trips. This is often linked to the high-pressure direct injection system in EcoBoost engines. Owners appreciate the peppy acceleration though, which makes the S-Max feel lively for its size. Exhaust gas recirculation valve failures are common in diesels, leading to rough idling and increased emissions. This can fail MOT tests in stricter UK regions, costing around £500 to fix. On the upside, the car's low CO2 output qualifies it for favourable road tax bans. The adaptive headlights, while innovative, sometimes suffer from motor failures that prevent proper beam adjustment. This is a safety concern on unlit rural lanes. Nevertheless, the LED lighting provides excellent visibility, enhancing night driving comfort. Wheel bearing wear is reported more often than in rival MPVs, causing humming noises at speed. Replacement is straightforward but adds to maintenance costs over time. The all-wheel drive option in top trims offers superb traction on slippery surfaces, ideal for hilly areas like the Lake District. Central locking systems can act up, with key fobs losing synchronization or doors failing to unlock. This electrical quirk ties back to the broader wiring harness issues in early models. Positively, the keyless entry works flawlessly when not afflicted, adding convenience for busy parents. Turbo actuator problems in the EcoBoost range can result in limp mode activation, limiting power output. Dealers often recalibrate via software updates, but hardware failures require part swaps. The engine's refinement, however, makes for a quiet cabin on long drives. Air conditioning compressors fail prematurely in some units, leading to warm air instead of cool blasts during UK heat waves. Refrigerant leaks compound the issue, with repairs averaging £300. The dual-zone climate control is a highlight, allowing personalized comfort for front passengers. Gearbox oil leaks in manual transmissions are less common but worth watching, as they can lead to grinding shifts. Most drivers opt for automatics anyway, which suit the car's relaxed character. Fuel economy remains a strong selling point, rivaling smaller hatchbacks. The rear parking sensors and cameras can glitch, providing false readings or blank screens. This is frustrating in tight UK car parks. On the positive side, the 360-degree camera in higher specs is a game-changer for maneuvering. Catalytic converter theft has risen for S-Max models, given their ground clearance and valuable metals inside. Owners in urban areas like Birmingham should consider protective cages. The car's resale value holds steady though, thanks to its popularity among families. Steering rack issues, such as knocking sounds, appear after 50,000 miles. Power steering fluid leaks exacerbate this, requiring specialist attention. The variable ratio steering, however, delivers precise handling that belies the vehicle's size. Battery drain from parasitic electrical drawers is a subtle but persistent problem, often traced to faulty modules. Leaving accessories on overnight worsens it. Positively, the stop-start technology aids urban efficiency without much hassle. Exhaust manifold cracks in older EcoBoost engines can cause performance dips and strange noises. Welding or replacement is needed, costing upwards of £800. The turbo's boost, when healthy, provides thrilling acceleration for overtakes. The infotainment software updates from Ford can sometimes introduce new bugs rather than fix old ones. Voice recognition struggles with British accents at times. Still, the system's integration with Apple CarPlay is seamless and user-friendly. Door handle mechanisms wear out, making entry difficult in cold weather. Lubrication helps, but replacements are common. The soft-touch door panels feel premium, enhancing the overall cabin ambiance. Fuel injector failures in diesels lead to misfires and black smoke emissions. Cleaning or swapping them resolves it, but prevention through quality fuel is key. The engine's reliability improves with regular servicing at authorized UK dealers. The adaptive suspension in vignale trims can develop damper leaks, affecting ride comfort. This luxury feature justifies the premium price for some. Prices for a used 2018 S-Max start at around £10,000, offering good value. Headlight washer jets often clog or freeze in winter, reducing visibility. Simple cleaning works, but pump failures require more effort. The auto high beam function is reliable and appreciated on dark country roads. Timing chain tensioners in petrol engines can slacken, causing rattles at startup. Ignoring this risks major engine damage. Fortunately, Ford's engineering ensures longevity with proper maintenance. The rear wiper motor is prone to seizing, especially in salty coastal areas like Cornwall. Replacement is inexpensive at about £50. The large rear screen provides excellent visibility, aiding safe reversing. Cruise control modules occasionally malfunction, disengaging unexpectedly on motorways. Software flashes often cure it. This feature enhances long-distance comfort, making the S-Max ideal for holidays. Exhaust flex pipe deterioration leads to leaks and droning sounds. Welding fixes it affordably. The car's quiet exhaust note contributes to a refined driving experience. The electronic parking brake can stick, particularly after wet conditions. Manual release is possible, but actuator replacements cost £200. It adds safety for hill starts in places like Edinburgh. Fuel tank sender units fail, giving inaccurate gauge readings. This strands drivers unexpectedly. The generous tank size allows for extended range though. In conclusion, the Ford S-Max second generation suits active families who prioritize space, handling and tech in a versatile package. But it is best for those prepared for potential EcoBoost and electrical niggles, with budgets around £15,000 for a solid example. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.